Hey everyone, how are you? This is Arlo, so happy to see you again. And in today's video, we're going to talk about something called reflexive pronouns. So I hope you're ready, fasten your seatbelt, and let's start. So let's know what is reflexive pronouns. A word we use to refer to the same person in a sentence. As we can see here with I say myself. So let's see a video here for the first example. So what do you think about this one? I don't know. I think we need time to think more. Okay, I agree with you. Yeah, we need more time. So in the video, I say I speak to myself. I don't say I speak to me. No. I speak to myself. Next, with you, I say yourself. In the example here, I see a knife and it's dangerous. So I say, be careful not to cut yourself with that knife. I don't say be careful not to cut you. No, this is wrong. Be careful not to cut yourself. Next, with we, I say ourselves. In the example here, I see a family. They are making something, so the family man says, we bake the cake by ourselves. He doesn't say, we bake the cake by us. No, we bake the cake by ourselves. And that is part 1. In part 2 here with he, I say himself. In the example here, we see Mark. He helps himself. Yeah, he doesn't need someone's help, so he helps himself. And next, with she, I say herself. We see here Amanda. She talks to herself. Yeah, like me. I don't say she talks to she or she talks to her. No, this is wrong. She talks to herself. Next, with it, I say itself. In the example here, we see the cat washes itself. I don't say the cat washes it, or no, itself. Finally, with they, I say themselves. I see here a group of people, they have a good time, so I say they have a nice time, they enjoy themselves. I don't say they enjoy them. No, this is wrong. They enjoy themselves. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video, hope you learned something, hope you got something out of it. If you liked today's video, hit the like button, subscribe if you didn't, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.